everybody doing? I am doing another breakfast mukbang. I hope everyone's doing well. I am doing pretty good. We have today some lovely waffles and some blackberries and some strawberries and some hash browns. So yeah, let's dive in because I am starving. These are crunchy waffles. I put honey on them. So how's everybody been doing? I've been pretty good. Omari over here is eating pancakes, sausage, and hash browns. And he seems to like it, so that's a good thing. Got some strawberries. Blackberries. It's so good. It's honey, y'all. If y'all haven't tried honey on your waffles, it's delicious. I also put a little honey on my hash browns too. But y'all comment below what your favorite breakfast item is. Mine is waffles. I could eat waffles every morning. Really good. So good. So the first thing that I do in the morning when I wake up is I use the restroom. I use the restroom. Most of the time, Omari is awake when I wake up. He usually wakes me up in the morning. So I use the restroom. Change his diaper. I get him dressed for the day. And then we go downstairs and I fix him breakfast. Make sure y'all eat breakfast because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Gives you energy. Blackberries. But yeah, y'all comment below what y'all do first thing in the morning. The fruit is really cold, so my teeth are sensitive, but it's really refreshing. Like, it's actually really good. Now comment below what your favorite fruit is too. I like bananas, strawberries, mango. I want to tell y'all a fun fact about Omari. Is that he does not like fruit. I've tried giving him blueberries. I've tried giving him, bananas. He doesn't like it. He used to love bananas when he was a baby, but I don't know if he grew out of it or what's going on, but he doesn't like them anymore. And also, he doesn't like juice. This boy only drinks water and milk. That's it. But this is my last bite, and I'll be getting off again. Okay. That was good. Make sure y'all eat your breakfast. Stay blessed. And I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn that bell to get notified when I post a new video. Alright, bye. Love y'all. Bye.